Also at guard, number 16, R.R. Pogoy. At center from La Union, number 45, Brandon Ganuelas-Rosser. From Cagayan de Oro City at forward. Also at guard from Pampanga, number 24, Joshua Munzoy. At center, number 32, Terrell Brown. From Bulacan at forward, number 21.
TNT looking for win number 4 to get our PBA Sabado going on RPTV. Ball is up and in play, and Brandon Ganuelas-Rosser will win the tap para dito sa TNT. Immediately, they go to Ralier, ang kapatid ni Ronde. Dalawang tira, nagmintis, but Brandon is there to clean it up.
And that is how important BGR is in the system. From, I think our last play date is August 12. Ang resumption natin, October 7 na.
14 ang last
14
play.
ang last day.
Yung 12, nice defense on the part of Balanza and Junicio. Aris on the run dito sa kabila, trying to feed Terrell. Nice shovel back to Aris.
Nakabalik na rin daw siya next game. Wala rin tuloy si Gio Ambohot para sa Titan. Para kay Coach Renzi, he hopes that they duplicate their shooting efficiency kontra sa Macau.
Rosser looking around. Mambatak puts it on the deck, goes to the spin. Stingray will get it done inside. Balanza loses control. Nice hustle by Cobontin. Pogoy to Stingray. Back-to-back hits para kay Mambatak. And TNT has now built a 5-point lead. Nagbabalik na yung mga weapon ni Coach Chot para dito sa TNT as Terrell Brown comes up with a reverse.
I think they have to understand that sometimes you will win even if you allow your opponent to score 128 for as long as you score more than that. They scored a total of 132 against Macau. But in the entire conference, they're the worst in terms of points allowed. 120 ang ginigive up nila. Why? Because they could not sustain their defense. Take a look at that offensive rebound and a putback kay Ray ng Batak. Kinakailangan dyan is, alam ng mga manlalaro na they have to limit a team like TNT who's still trying to get their bearings back to just one shot and even transition defense. That's not the fastest transition attack that we've seen in defense. Take a look at that. Napakadali. There's a wide open lane. He was able to take advantage of that one, putting Havillonar on the side.
Nung unang magkita ang TNT at itong Titan, TNT took the first quarter 31-17. Pero no second quarter, halalong directing traffic. TNT whipping it around. Gio ends up with it again. Fakes the pass, now kicks it over. Jordan extra down low, baseline jumper. Brandon delivers. Ang lapat ng katawan niya, biglang pakikita.
Kaya niya.
Finish moves, you know? Brandon again. Aurin with the offensive rebound. Brandon to the cup. Sumang trying to pick up where he left off. He's coming off a 14-point performance kontra sa Macau. Hollis Jefferson from straight away.
Easy.
Hindi nga lang pumasok yung dress niya. Nakita niyo, malapad-lapad. Dito muna ako.
Baka hindi ko maiusog to. Tirahan ko na lang sa labas.
Jordan Heading showing him how it's done. Heading working against Sumang. He spins away from him. Jordan inside, scoops it up. Kumapit naman.
Grabe, kanan pa ginamit. He was totally out back.
Halalong di diskarte, kaharap sa Sonia. They go to the right side. Aurin rings the bell.
Dahil napakalaki na ng lamang ng TNT, at least bumaba sa 11.
Galinato over to Halalon. Sinausaw pa bago pinapektus.
For Tyran Ultra.
Upo na muna si Caralipio. Nagbalik na sa sahig si Joshua Monzon. Aaron to the left side. It is Ferrer who lights it up.
I like the unselfishness of Boy Aaron. That was pretty much within his range. But he made the extra pass to Ferrer, who missed his first shot towards the end of the first quarter, but not the second shot. First three for Kevin.
It's a brand new largest lead of the game para sa TNT. Pero tatapes ang kagad ng dalawa yan ni Joshua.
Oh, beautiful basket by Joshua Monzon, eluding a lot of defenders from Tropang 5J.
He went scoreless in the first 6 minutes of this game. Play of the half na hatid sa atin ang Sports Plus.
Yeah, this guy is averaging.
Hollis Jefferson strips it away from you. Di mo naman pipigilan yun.
New teammates and new plays where he has to situate himself. And when asked how he would gauge that
Buti nga ikaw naramdaman mo. Ako hindi ko naramdaman talaga eh.
Diba? Tira
Kasi,
na, tapos ang less than 30% pa yung tikada niya. Yung kinailangan nga sariling sikat. Heading, another assist.
and persistence paying off. Kiteves, I thought that was a makeable shot for him. He missed it, but he did not give up. Alam mo, yung ayaw talaga, hindi lamang yung pumapasok yung tira ni Ato Olar. Ayaw talaga na magkaroon ng iba pang stat line. Itong si Fran Yu.
Actually, no? Assist sana yun eh.
Assist.
Etong Titan, 68-47 is your score. TNT getting it done.
Fishing expedition yun eh, pero hindi kinagat yung bait.
Uh-oh. Rosser pushes that lead back up to 21 on the run.
Opponents trying to score inside the paint, that is good enough.
Halalon against the shot clock. Oh, look at Kabuntin. Pull down that rebound in the midst of three white shirts. Jordan down the middle. Swabe, parang heading yan.
Kinanan pa. Dahil nga merong sasapol sa kanya, iniwas ng bahagya. 23-point advantage now for TNT, the biggest in the ballgame.
U for three. In and out. Hawak na ni Junicio rebound. Natapikan pa. Hollis Jefferson gives it to Jordan. Jordan back from Brandon. Huli ka. 47 is the score. Less than 6.5 remaining in this third frame.
Mag-ingat ang ating mga kababayan, ha? Nasa mga low areas.
Heading. Throws up a prayer. Ito ang ating play of the game na hatid sa atin ng Sports Plus. The matchup nito, Sumang versus Alalon. As Balanza was looking to go back-to-back. Roy Sumang knocks it home.
Finally a basket. Roy Sumang knocking down his second three-pointer. The first one was made back in the first quarter. So total of 6 points now for Roy.
Heading, gustong bumawi na mabilis. Mintis, Aurin to Halalon. Nice pass to Galinato.
Just could not be denied. Henry Galinato, that is his domain. Every time he gets that ball near the rim, underneath the basket in particular, call it automatic for number 32.
Balanza in attack mode. Got the drop on Galinato and one.
Score. Let's take a look at this shot by Balanza, just freezing his defense. And once he got the opening, used his quickness.
Natanggal yung takip na sugat dahil kailangan siyang palitan eh. Automatic yun. Oh, nice looper of a jumper by Balanza. He's come on strong since late third.
Now with a total of 11, Rainbow Country for Hollis Jefferson. Nabanggit na natin yan eh. Yung mid-range, medyo master niya na.
Ooh.
Ito yung tres nito. Kanina pa nababanggit. 41% shooter from Rainbow Country. And the biggest issue is not enough attempts in this game. Only his 12th attempt. Kaya medyo mababa rin yung kanyang production. Only 14 points for Terrell Brown.
Heading drops it off to Galinato. Heading in Galinato back to the bench. Rosser and
Hindi
Nambata.
rin pumasok yung tira ni Sahonyo na yun. Sayang.
Nambata.
Sa
Pumunta sana
pass.
ni Rosser. Dire-diretso kay Sahonya. Sahonya and Balanza on the run. Nice sidestep move mula dito.
Combination yun eh. Sidestep, engine brake, para mawala yung depensa sa kanya. But very bad pass by ng Batak dahil paatake yung kanyang teammate. Ang pasa sa likod.
Ralier whips it around to Rosser.
Well-timed pass this time. Tignan namin pagdating sa opensa.
8-18 natitira sa first
Hindi
game.
masalo. Yung tatak ng bola, may iwan sa kanyang dibdib. Kaya kailangan talaga masalo ng maayos.
Sa American football, Sahonya backs home the three.
Yung reference eh, he scored 36 points on a 27 field goal attempts making 17. So 27, ikumpara mo sa 10 attempts to up his total output to 13 points. His sub 4, and of course, ang iniisip niya, sana mabilis lang na sub ito. Dahil siya ang pinakamainit na manlalaro para rito sa Titan Ultra.
Nambata, double team. They go to Brandon. Nice drop to Pogs. That gives TNT a bit more breathing room.
That is too easy for our Pugoy. Dahil the last line defender that time was just Fran Yu.
Munzon, play broken up by Pogs. Munzon recovers. Ular inside with a jump hook. That's good. Naman sinasabi, walang foul.
Pero ito muna, tingnan mo muna. Talagang diniin niya eh. Tapos look at his length advantage against his much smaller.
Move mula kay Ato Ular. Nambatak, mandilin lang. And one.
You have to stay in front. Look at that. He was already on the side. And how can you stop an opponent if hindi nagkaintindihan? Ano?
Munzon's only got 7 points on 1 of 7 shooting tonight. Rahir with a rebound. Ferrer short. Aurin with a cleanup.
Nice assist pass by Kevin Ferrer.
Pasa ba yun? Pag tinanong mo si Kevin, oo yun.
Parang nag-iba kasi ng trajectory eh.
Pag tinanong mo si Kevin, pasa talaga yun. Kayo naman, oh.
Almost. Oh, now completed turnover.
Right here, over to Nambata. Looking for the crack in the D. Ferrer ulit. This time, Tresyan. And we expect them to play a little more dahil they're trying to get in better condition for their rematch with NLEX.
0 in his first game. Understandable dahil nag-a-adjust pa siya. Had a 13-point explosion against NLEX. And now this is really a Brandon Canuelas roster type of a ball game of 19 points to 72. But after this basket, talagang tuluyan ng namaga itong lamang ng TNT.
Yan ang ating GAC game-changing play na hatid sa atin ng GAC.
So from that time,
Yu to the right side. Ular kicks it back out. Brown to Ular on the run. Ba? Binali pa. Pag tinamo kay AG, hindi mo na makikita yung bola.
bumaba ka na. Oh, wow! So definitely it is okay.
Okay lang pala.
Oh, the elevation was just fantastic. He was trying to slam it to score on a layup. Take a look at that once again. Grabe naman yung pag-elevate doon ni Jordan. Umawa yung kanyang pangalawang free throw. 23 puntos.
At the other side, so Titan has been outscored by 10 mula nung napunta sa bench itong si Sahonia. Isang kahon na naman ang abante ng TNT. Tatamyasan ng dalawa ni Ular.
10 puntos na para rito kay Ular. 22 pa rin itong hinahabol ng Titan.
Aurin on the move. Pupunta sa kanan. May multa yun. Ayoko na. May multa pala yun. Ano?
Ayun, ako! Ano ba yun?
Aurin, steal. Aurin is fouled. Brown at the other side. With a wild shot. TNT looking to pounce as well.
Just too easy. I mean, they just gave up a lot of transition points, a lot of points inside the paint. 64 to 26 inside the paint advantage for TNT.
I don't know what Titan is doing right now.
Sayang yung mga ganong free throws na yun. Hindi talaga makakatulong.
And Aurin will punish them on the other end.
As a unit, medyo mababa rin talaga itong field goal or free throw shooting. Oh, back-to-back misses by Fran Yu. 15 out of 23 from the free throw line tonight. In their first 5 losses.
Magandang gabi daw sa'yo, sabi ni Boss Ronald Dulatre.
Oh, boss! How are you, Boss Ronald?
He's watching. Ito, TNT.
On the 12th, di ba?
Before the break.
August 12 ba yan?
Yes, sir.
Wala
Oh, 11 pala.
11, August 11.
At dyan po magtatapos ang bangungot ng Titan dito sa Montalban?